Let's go back in time and see how the Philippines looked over 100 years ago, depicting daily life, architecture, and traditions during the late Spanish and early American colonial periods. A bustling street scene in Plaza Moraga, Binondo district of Manila, 1899. A street-side scene of Filipino workers and townspeople in Manila around 1909. Townsfolk gather along the Manila Fire Department, circa 1899. A group of Filipino villagers in rural Manila making their way home, 1899. The original structure at the site of Jones Bridge, circa 1890. The island province of Cebu at the dawn of the 1900s. A young Filipino man, dressed in simple work attire, sits astride a sturdy carabao circa 1899 in Manila. A rare glimpse into everyday colonial city life in urban Manila, circa 1899. Scenes from the daily life of a Filipino family in a provincial barrio, 1899. Pretty Filipinas in their Maria Clara gowns, circa 1899. Outside a church in Cavite during the early 1900s. A glimpse into the everyday life of cargadores around 1899. Intramuros in its final decade under Spanish dominion, 1890. Scenes from inside a cigar factory in Manila, circa 1899. A vivid glimpse into daily rural Manila neighborhood around the year 1900. A glimpse into the genteel lifestyle of Manila's Ilustrado class, circa 1894. The heart of Manila's Escolta district, circa 1900. A glimpse inside the Manila post office during the year 1899. Manila's bustling trade and commerce at the dawn of American rule, 1899. A view of Lunita in Manila during the year 1899. Escolta Street in the final years of the 19th century, Manila, 1899. Life along a Manila canal at the turn of the century, 1899. A Filipino barrio band from the early 1900s. Filipino merchants selling their produce in Manila's market, circa 1906. The vicinity of Binondo Church, circa 1902.